Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G, and this is Just Plain Tech. Happy Pi Day! And for today's Pi Day video, we're making a video about the Raspberry Pi, which is a $5 computer that you can hold in your hand. It's super small, and what we're going to be doing on it is we're going to emulate retro games using an operating system called RetroPie. And really, we'll need a micro SD card. I already have it in here, but we're going to format it on the computer. Alright, so you're just going to want to have this app called Raspberry Pi Imager installed on Ubuntu. It's really easy to install. You can just get it from the Ubuntu Software Center. I already have it installed. So once you've done that, it'll be here. You just go to Choose OS. And you can, for this one, we're going to do Emulation and Game OS, RetroPie, and this one, RPI1/0. Choose our SD card, and we'll click right. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to put ROMs on your SD card for RetroPie. Now, I can't show you where to get these ROMs because it is illegal unless you own them legally, which all of these I legally own on Nintendo Switch Online, so just make sure you own them legally somehow before you emulate them on your Raspberry Pi, okay? So we'll just go over here and we'll open a new window. And down here, when your SD card is inserted, we're going to go to RetroPie. I think we'll just go to Home, Pi, RetroPie, ROMs. And these are all up here. These are all NES ROMs. So we're just going to go down to NES. And we can just copy all these. Or, yeah, we'll just copy them and paste them. And it looks like our Raspberry Pi is ready. Whew. Still hot. Still hot. So, what we're gonna do is to hook it up to my monitor here. I have a mini HDMI to HDMI adapter. So you can just plug that in right there. And then the Raspberry Pi uses a standard micro USB charger for the power. So basically just an Android phone charger will work, such as this one. And it also has the same port for USB. So, because it's micro USB, I have an adapter here that will convert micro USB to standard USB, so I can then plug in this keyboard. And there we got this extra keyboard right here plugged in. And now, alright, it's cool enough. Now we'll just plug it in. So, right here, it has labels, power in and USB. So you want to make sure you plug in the power adapter to the one that says power in, and plug in the USB to the one that says USB. There we go, we're all set up. And now we'll just put our mini HDMI adapter in. So there should be, I don't know if you guys can see that down here, but there should be like a little green light that shows up. Oh, here, now you can see it on the monitor. We've got it booting up. There should be a lot of command line stuff like that, but eventually it will boot in and we can get to gaming. Alright, so we'll try Super Nintendo. Oh, actually, first of all, I really like this layout that we have here. Really smooth and elegant, especially on the Raspberry Pi. I really like that. So we'll do Super Nintendo. We'll try that first. F-Zero, why not? Here we are. Seems to be functioning pretty well. Whoops. There we go. Just pressing the wrong button. Honestly, I gotta say the graphics on this are really smooth and colorful. I'm liking it. Let's see, we'll try Nintendo Entertainment System. For what this thing is doing, it's really amazing. Like, you probably want something pre-N64 to emulate on here. We'll try this. Sega Mega Drive. Seems to be working. Never mind. Okay, that's awful. Here. We'll try and fix that up. So we'll try it again. And right here where it says, it should say like press a button to configure when it shows up that little gray window. Right there, I pressed a button to configure. Now, the first one, set default emulator for Mega Drive. So right now it seems we're using Genesis plus GX or whatever. We're gonna switch it to the second one, Pico Drive. I actually use this emulator on my 3DS and it works very well. So we'll see if it works on here. Now we'll exit. And it should bring us back to the menu where we can then launch the game. Let's see if it works any better with this emulator. The nice thing is that it comes built in with a ton of different emulators, so if one of them doesn't work, you can just switch it to another emulator. Now let's see if this one will work. Hey, this one's working much better. Look at that. So when you got a problem, it's as easy as that to fix it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. Oh, by the way, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And once you've done that, you should be able to get retro gaming off a $5 computer. Really sweet deal, if I might say so myself. If you want to buy one of these, you can actually go into link in the description. Not sponsored, by the way. I just wanted to link that just in case any of you guys are interested. Anyway, I will see you next time.